we're gonna cut our backing for our quilt. I want you to cut 1 yard. Now, if you've gone to the fabric store, big box store, whatever, you can either have them cut 1 yard for you, or else I bought 1.5 yards just so that I would know that I would have enough for the binding also, and possibly a little extra. So I want you to cut 1 yard. If you already have a yard cut, then you're good. We're just gonna lay it out. My cutting mat is a 36-inch mat. So that's 1 yard. So I'm just gonna line up. I've lined up on my fold, and I'm gonna line up on my yard mark. I have, it's hanging over a little bit just for squaring up. So we'll have some extra when we square it up. Okay. There we have our yard. And I'm just gonna kind of fold it, because we're gonna press it before we sandwich our quilt. So we have our batting laid out. You're going to take your backing fabric and lay it out. Just kind of smooth it out. And then using my scissors, I'm just gonna trim off the excess batting. It doesn't have to be perfect. I have a little bit on the edge. I'm just gonna leave that. Now, if you have any overhanging on the side, go ahead and trim that. I just have very little overhanging on my sides. All right, I'm going to take this and I'm going to flip it over, just like that. Now, I pretty much know that my batting and my backing are about the same size. We're just using blue painter's tape. I'm doing this on my kitchen table. If your table is not big enough, you probably have a spot in your floor, hallway, or something that's big enough.
Just gonna tape this down. You want the top kind of centered. You want excess on all four sides.